Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and also please set notification bells so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today's topic is English. Our focus in English is verbs. So, what is a verb? Well, for those who know what a verb is, email us your own definition so you can be featured in our next video. Our email will be in the description box below. For those who don't know what a verb is a main part of speech used to describe an action. In other words, a verb is a doing word. Although there are many types of verbs, today's focus will be on action verbs, which describe the movement of a person or character. Action verbs are the most common of verbs. Words like run, jump, hide, explore are all verbs which are used to describe someone's action. Sentences are not complete without verbs. This is because every sentence must have a subject, verb, and object. For example, I like to read books. The subject in this sentence is I. The object in this sentence is book. The verb, actually wait, I'm gonna let you guys decide this. Which of these words do you think is the verb? If you said read, then you're correct, because read is an action. Now you know what verbs are, let's see how we use them in a sentence. Like we said previously, verbs are used to describe an action. So in order to use a verb, we must use it to describe an action. For example, the rabbit was jumping in the field. The word jumping is the verb, as jumping is an action. The word jumping is used to describe the action or movement of the bunny in the sentence. Let's see if we can create a few sentences using the verbs on the screen. Here are a few more questions, but try and see if we can identify the verbs instead. Since you now know all about verbs, here are 5 fun facts which you can use to impress your teacher. Did you know that there are many types of verbs in the world, but the 3 main verbs are action, linking, and helping verbs? Most verbs we use are main verbs, but we also use different types of verbs all the time without really knowing. According to Google, verbs were invented by the English playwright Shakespeare. However, there isn't much evidence to back this, as there's only one website which says so. In English, verbs are the only words that change to show past or present tense. This isn't the same for all languages. Languages such as Chinese or Indonesian have verbs which don't change for past or present tense. A word used to describe a verb is called an adverb. The word adverb is created from 2 words, which is the adjective. I describe a word, a verb, an actual word. This means that an adverb is a word which describes a verb. We can go into more detail in a future video. Last but not least, verbs can be irregular, which means the past tense of a verb, let's say sing, is not formed by adding the usual ed at the end. For example, the past tense of sing is sang. But for most verbs, their past tense ends with an ed instead of an ang. Now you have a good idea about verbs, let's test you. Email us your score at educationist105.6@gmail.com and we will get back to you. Good luck! Well guys, thanks for viewing this video and I hope your child enjoyed it. Make sure to email suggestions for our future videos, and a new survey will be conducted next week so you'll be able to give us feedback. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and go further with learning.